Hi there, my name is Bruno from Nikon and I've come to Whelan Cameras today to present their brand new Nikon ZF. The beautiful thing about the ZF is that it's styled after the famous Nikon FM2 from the film days. It uses the same pentaprism design and a lot of the same visual cues from the dials to the body style. So it adds a couple of exclusive features like the pixel shift option where you can stitch together multiple different shots to create a 96 megapixel image. This is unique to the ZF. It also has 8 stops of in-body stabilization, which again is better than what you find on a Z9, on a Z8, Z6 or 7. But at the same time, it has these absolutely gorgeous dials on top that really allow for that retro experience. On the back of the camera, you've got the black and white mode, which I really enjoy. So if you want to go from color to black and white, it's simply a switch away. The great thing about the ZF is that it doesn't fit anywhere specific in the range. So although it's a 24 megapixel camera, it's got the same processor as the Nikon Z9 and Z8, and with the same autofocus options, as well as new features like the pixel shift and some of the new subject tracking modes. The ZF sort of stands on its own, I think. It's not necessarily a replacement of the Z6 line, but it's again not a replacement of the Z7 line either. It sort of sits alongside those cameras. So you might be a Z9 or Z8 owner, and you might want a backup camera that will be, give you better low light performance, but at the same time be a different body style. Then you might be looking at the ZF. Or if you're coming from a Z6 Mark II and you might want to upgrade the camera, you get a completely different style of body and updated internals as well. It's not necessarily a camera that will replace any of the other ones in the range, more so it sits alongside them. If you want to have a feel or try for the ZF, come to Whelan Cameras.